Step into the 2011 Nissan Rogue S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: all-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, rear spoiler, auxiliary audio input, bucket seats and pass-through rear seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.